Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Azure CLI on macOS, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Azure CLI on macOS, begin by opening your terminal application. You can find terminal in the applications folder, under utilities. Once the terminal is open, you'll need to check if Azure CLI is installed. Type the following command and press enter, AZ version. If Azure CLI is installed, the version information will be displayed. To proceed with the uninstallation, first, determine how it was installed. If you installed Azure CLI using Homebrew, type the command, brew uninstall Azure CLI. Press enter to execute the command. If Azure CLI was installed using the .package installer, you will need to remove it manually. Type the following command to navigate to the Applications folder, cd/applications. Now use the command sudo rmrf microsoft /azure /cli.app. Press enter and provide your admin password if prompted. To complete the uninstallation, you should also remove any associated configuration files. Run the command rmrf/.azure. Finally, to ensure that all components have been removed, you can check your environment variables. Type echo $path to see if there are any Azure paths remaining. If you find any Azure-related paths, use the command nano/.bash_profile or nano/.zshrc depending on your shell. Look for any lines containing Azure-related paths and delete those lines. After editing, press Ctrl+O to save and Ctrl+X to exit. To apply the changes, run the command source/.bash_profile or source/.zshrc. You have now successfully uninstalled Microsoft Azure CLI from your macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.